Hi guys! This is Marian. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, gusto ko talagang ituloy yung pagko-content creator ko. However, sobrang hirap pala niya talaga. Hindi pala ganun kadali na mapunta ka talaga sa part na ang dami mo ng subscribers. Ang dami kong pinanood na small content creators para makahugot ako ng motivation and para hindi din ako ma-discourage na parang, oh, wala pang 200 yung viewers ko, wala pang 100 yung viewers ko. And it is really hard to make a content and sobrang habang editing yung ginagawa ko. Although hindi pa talaga ako ganun kagaling kaya siguro sobrang tagal ko mag-edit. Siguro pag pinabayaan mo yung emosyon mo na demotivate sa'yo sa pagko-content creation, sobrang dali mo ma-demotivate. Like, 10 subscribers pa lang ako. Hindi ko alam kung paano ako makaka-gain ng viewers. Pero sabi nga nila, try to be unique as possible and try to connect to your viewers. And yun yung currently gusto kong i-figure out. A lot of content creator says that the video quality is a big factor, the editing, the effects is a big factor, and also the niche is a big factor. And the stage where I am right now, hindi ko pa na-identify kung anong niche yung gusto kong, tama ba yung pagkaka-pronounce ko? Hindi ko yung kung anong niche yung gusto kong i-pursue. I really wanna do a day in my life or content creator na yung spontaneous lang yung mga videos kasi hindi naman ako talaga into specific hobbies. Well, ang gusto ko is to do a lot of things sana, mga travel vlogs, kaya lang it would cost me much, and as of now hindi pa siya talaga affordable for me. And also, one thing that keeps me motivated to do this content is I bought a DJI Osmo Action 4 camera, and I told myself na hindi ko yun ipuput into waste or ipuput into shelves lang na hindi ko ginagamit. Kasi kaya ako siya binili because of its wide dynamic range. Sabi ko kasi nahihiya ako pag sobrang lapit na mukha ko sa camera. And here I am. I have it in my hand right now. And nanghihinayang ako pag nakikita ko na hindi ko siya nagagamit, wala akong nag-create na content. So hopefully you will join me in my journey. Let's learn together. So for now, ang gusto kong i-improve is the editing of my content. So ang isang natutunan ko kanina is to create a thumbnail. Wala kasing thumbnail yung mga previous content ko, so siguro it might help a little. So if you want to join me in this journey, I hope you will subscribe, and then subscribe din ako back. So yun lang for now. Thank you. Bye.